Welcome to our channel How to Guide. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix a problem of your Internet Explorer opening but your Microsoft Edge not. So let me show you how to do that. But before that, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First step, click on the search icon at the bottom right and search for this called intelcpl.cpl. Once you search for it, the first option, click on it. And it's going to bring you over here. Once you're over here, go on advanced, and on advanced scroll a bit down until you see this option called enable third-party browsing extension. Uncheck this and click on apply and click on OK. Now once you do that, what you want to do is go to your Windows over here and then go to your local disk C or your any local disk where your programming files are available. Go to your program files and search for Microsoft. Once you see Microsoft, click on it. Over here, click on where it says Edge and where it says application, click on it. And the first over here where it says 115.0, you want to click on it. And click on where it says BHO. And then all the thing you see over here, just delete it. Just delete everything. Once you delete everything, what you want to do is open up your Microsoft Edge, click on the three dot at the top right and go on where it says settings. Once you're inside settings, make sure you're in the default browser section. Over here where it says default, make sure to allow, and over here it says restart, so click on restart and your browser will close and reopen again. Once you do that, what you want to do is restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you guys can fix this. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.